Welcome to my channel. Netgear Orbi unboxing and setup tutorial for beginners AC2200 RBK23. Plug in the main Orbi router. This one labeled router, don't mix it with the satellites. Plug the modem cable into the yellow internet port. Power it on and wait for the white light to settle. App time. So yeah, the quick start thing says to use the Orbi app. Downloaded it on my phone. It immediately wants to scan a QR code from the bottom of the router. Okay, done. It's doing its detecting your Orbi thing. Took like a minute and a half, which felt like forever. Name your Wi-Fi. So the app makes you set a network name and password. I went with something dumb like Bird Wi-Fi, just to get through it. It does the usual, setting up network, loading circle. Satellites. Once the main router's ready, plug in the satellites. Just power, no cables. Wait for the white light to turn solid blue. Blue equals good, amber equals weak, magenta equals bad. Done. App says setup complete. Check Wi-Fi on my phone. Bird Wi-Fi is showing up. Connected. It's fast. Noticeably faster than my old cheap router. Thanks for watching.